to be honest, I'm not good at letting down my guard, but I really want it. Before you, I was running in the dark. When you said this was goodbye, that's when I realized I can't live without you. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer, I want you and only you. I got nothing left to lose.
But anyway, fast forward.
Guys, I came to see Falake. She actually invited me for cooking class, but now she just texted me and said, oh, cooking class isn't happening again. So I guess we're just going to chill, drink some wine and watch Love Island. Thankfully, Tenny isn't here to judge us. If you watch the last vlog, you would understand. So yeah, let's go inside. Not the birthday decorations still out.
After last night's beer pong, things turned ugly. Well, as ugly as a house full of gorgeous models and muscle-bound Adonises can get. Basically, Shaq's mad at Tanya for kissing Chiron and Tom, Olivia's mad at Tom and Zara because Tom licked her neck, and Zara called her two-faced. Shaq's mad at Harris for stirring things up, and I'm mad at all of them because the show's called Love Island and this is all very off-brand.
Ignored the mess in the background, but yeah, this was my outfit to church today. Honestly, I'm just very happy that I was able to make it to church and ignored all the procrastinations in my head about not going. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm home now. It was a very, very good service. I'm not gonna lie, it was a really, really good service. I really enjoyed it. Let me turn the camera around so that it's more personal. So I actually wanted to do a video, like a full video, talking about like my New Year resolutions for the year and just basically what I want to achieve this year, some things that I want to change. It was supposed to be like a whole vision board 2023 thing, but do you know, last minute I just sort of changed my mind and said to myself, one thing that I want to change in the new year is doing more and talking less, focusing my energy on doing what I said I want to do, as opposed to focusing my energy on putting it down, writing it down, talking about it. Rather than talk about it and do a whole video about it, why not start implementing it and then talk about it as you go? So I've said all that to say that one of my New Year resolutions and things that I wanted to do in the new year, do differently in the new year, is strengthening my relationship with God, and that involves also just going to church more. Last year no word of a lie, aside from the time my mom came during Christmas to drag my ass to church, probably didn't go to church the whole of last year. I like to pride myself in like, oh, I have a personal relationship with God. Me and God have a good relationship. I'm spiritual, all that jazz. But I mean, I don't have to go to church every Sunday, but there's nothing wrong with like going to church from time to time. I know my mom would call me almost every Sunday and like hound me about it. Like, oh, did you go to church today? And I'll always say no. Even if it's just like twice a month, 3 times a month, 4 times a month, I don't care. I'm going to try and just be more active in church. Personally, I have the idea that being spiritual is just more important, like having a good relationship with God. You know, I feel like that's more important to me than being religious and going to church every Sunday. But you can't deny that when you're in church, it's just different. There's just something amazing about it. There's just something great about just fellowshipping with people, worshiping with people, doing praise, worship, listening to the word. It's just amazing. Like, it's just a different feeling and you just feel refreshed for the new week. And yeah, I actually have quite a hectic week ahead of me. I have quite a busy week ahead of me. So on that note, I'd like to welcome you guys to my channel. Marycolette here. How are you doing? So if you've been an OG subscriber, if you've been watching me from time, then you would know that I hosted a podcast last year called King's Arena Podcast. It's been renewed for a 2nd season and I am going to be hosting it. So I'm going to be hosting a podcast and we're going to be filming 10 episodes within the space of 1 week. Actually, I think 3 days or 4 days, I'm not very sure, but we're going to be filming 10 episodes in three or 4 days. That means sometimes 2 episodes, sometimes 3 episodes in a day, and 20 guests, so 2 guests per episode. It's crazy, but it's nothing that I can't do, nothing God can help me with. And I'm very excited to, you know, take you guys along with me throughout, you know, this new venture, throughout this week. I can't stop doing this because I just had my nails done. By the way, guys, I am very much enjoying short nails. Oh my gosh, it's so convenient. It's just cuter. It's more practical for me than long nails, and I think I'm going to be sticking with short nails as well. In the meantime, I'm hungry, I'm tired, I need to get myself something to eat, you know, settle in, enjoy my Sunday. See you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, my apologies for the weird quality. I'm filming with my phone, but yeah, today is day 1 on King's Arena Podcast. It's a whole new setup and I'm so excited. I just finished recording. It looks so cute. I should do like a video or take a picture. Let me turn up this AC because I don't get it. I'm seriously tearing up. Hey guys, good afternoon. I wasn't really able to vlog in there because it was just a bit rushed. One of my guests had to leave, so I had to quickly do what I needed to do so that she could leave. But yeah, I'm done, and today is day 1 of King's Arena Podcast. I did an episode with EDK. If you guys know, oh shit, he just left. I should have vlogged. EDK, you know, flew in from Abuja yesterday to come for the King's Arena Podcast. You guys would see him in, you know, when the episode comes out. I'm in the car now about to drive home. Guys, I'm shooting somewhere on the mainland, which means today was the first time I ever drove on 3rd Mainland Bridge. I can't lie, I was scared, but I don't know what I was scared of. Like, it's just a smooth road, and thankfully there was no traffic, so it was okay. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Tell me why we just left RSVP, because the people that sit people, I don't know what they're called, refused to seat us because we don't have a reservation. Mind you, the restaurant was empty. Like, there was nobody in RSVP, literally. And then like we were stood there for almost 5 minutes while she checked her computer and was like, we had a reservation at 8 p.m. Would you be done by then? And we're like, we don't know. It's like, okay, we have another one by 9 p.m. Would you be done by 9 p.m? What's that supposed to mean? Would we be done at 9 p.m? So that what? Like, if we are like, what? I don't get it. your restaurant is empty. Like if it was even booked, or if it was full of people, like I can even understand that. Oh, there's no space. But guys, there was nobody in there.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Make more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't declare that I can have this, baby. Nobody else.
Guys, so I am dressed and ready. I couldn't really vlog yesterday because I didn't bring my camera, but today I didn't forget, so we're vlogging today.
Bottom of the truck, bottom of the dick. Bottom of the slap me out. I think that I'm throwing a fit. Bottom of the world, play you right about talking to me. Oh, yeah.
Hello and welcome to
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body.
Okay, let's start. Look who I'm with. It recorded you, record me. I'm with Jay.
Hello.
Hello. And Karen.
Hi.
The petite goddess. I really like your name so much. Hey!
Alright.
Hey, girl.
1
Yes!
million views.
Period!
100,000 million to go.
Yes!
100,000 million to go.
She wants to calculate the time.
You explain tire.
Just finished my second episode
I know.
with Eso,
Well done. Such a
Amanda.
great host.
Yeah, it was actually very fun and everything. Yeah.
Well done. I'm an
People on
ex-presenter
TV.
and she...
Yes!
Oh, I remember.
Oh, guys, I was so nervous because you look at royalty, TV royalty.
Come on.
I love it. Oh, thank you guys. I love you guys.
Well done, Marycolette. Love ya.
Thank you. Love you too. Mwah.
Have a fantastic other show.
Thank you so much. Love you, girl. Thank you so much. I'm about to go change into my last costume of the day. My battery is about to die.
What's up, boss? I'm going now.
Celebrity.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you, mama. Don't want to feel you, don't want you, mama. Don't want to feel you, don't want you, mama. Don't want to feel you, don't want you, mama. Don't want to feel you, don't want you.
That's video content for my baby. First of all, just come with this camera.
I will.
And the Marycolette.
Carry on. We just finished recording. Finally. Shooting things.
Yes, Kings. Hey, shooting a few things. You just shot a few things.
One last episode and I'm done. Hey, Kule.
What up?
We just finished
Doing some kinging things.
King's Arena things.
King Arena things.
Nanya. Hi,
Did I say
baby
lost?
girl. So cute. We just finished filming. I'm a baby. What's this here?
I don't have network. Yeah, that's why I didn't see it.
For King's Arena podcast, last episode of the day. I'm tired, but let's
No problem.
3 episodes, 6 guests for the baddest host. Period. Can you guys see my OOTD? Done for the day. Time to change into my regular clothes. Good morning, guys. I have been shooting now for 3 days. Today is my 4th and final day filming King's Arena podcast, and I've been shooting 3 episodes per day. So you know how hectic that is. So I'm literally filming 1 episode, changing into my next outfit, filming another episode until I'm done. But one thing I've been doing is I have been driving to and fro the mainland. So I've been plowing the 3rd mainland like it's nothing. Okay, and this is like my first time doing all of that. Like, I'm very used to driving within my area and all of that, and not really like testing my driving skills, beyond here, and it's been, to be honest, I want to say it's been fun, but it hasn't, because driving long distance, driving in a different place, like somewhere you're not very used to, is not fun, you know. Like I think I got bashed. Yes, not bashed, but someone brushed me yesterday trying to come, just enter. Like, no matter how careful you are, someone will still come and look for you. So it's just crazy. My call time is 10 a.m. and this is 8:20, so that should give me ample time to get to the mainland and do what I need to do. As you guys know, I said to myself that I wanted to do better with timing this year, and that's what I am doing. Time is 9:43, so it took me over an hour to get here. Yeah, crazy. I'm here now. I'm just waiting for my makeup artist to come so that we can start my makeup and then start our day. So I am dressed. Let me show you guys. It's a video.
Hey girl, oh my god, we had the best girl chat just now.
Yes, we did.
Like, we need to go and have our own personal podcast.
Yes, it has
Not
just
to get off our chat.
literally. I didn't want to stop talking.
I've had a podcast before, but I was only with guys. But I feel like with girls, like, it's going to be
A whole different vibe. Hey guys, my apologies if the quality of this isn't the greatest, but I haven't fixed the lighting in this room yet, so it's not the best to film at night. However, I wanted to real quick come show you guys something I just got. I was actually halfway through unboxing it when I realized, shouldn't you vlog this? Anyway, I just got me a new hard drive. This is a 1 terabyte Transcend hard drive, and guys, I have been postponing and putting off buying this hard drive simply because of the price. This hard drive cost me 50k. Guys, I'm trying to work smarter this year and not harder. Importing my files into like my phone or my system first before then editing, that is just long, hard work. These are things that just like make editing take so freaking long for me, and I just figured if I am editing directly from my hard drive, that would reduce my editing time and, you know, reduce the time of me importing all my files, and also help my storage as well on my system, so my system is not hanging while I'm editing or my exporting time is, you know, delayed. So yeah, this is a very good investment. It's one that I've been wanting to make for a while, and I'm very glad that I'm able to do this. So I'm just going to try and figure out how to use this hard drive now, because I've never used a hard drive before, so I don't even know how to go about it. But yeah, I'm gonna figure it out and get to editing this vlog. Yeah. Mwah. Longest day ever, but here for Flakes. Guys, so Flakes is filming a
new show called She's a 10.
Her new show called She's a 10. And it's going so well. How many babes did you get in Lake? How many babes actually came here?
Right now they're 10 girls.
They're 10 girls.
But like, they're like 5 or 6 more coming. I think they're gonna be like 15 to 20 beautiful girls.
50 to 20 beautiful girls today alone.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Here looking for a match. And then there are 5 different eligible bachelors. So
don't give it away too much. I can't wait to see it.
yeah, we won't give away too much.
Let's not give away too much.
It's gonna be here on YouTube, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment, make it go viral, and maybe one day it will be a hit show.
It would, not maybe. And the best part, we're filming this with the OGs. Guys, these guys. Oh my guys. Hope, famous. We used to work together. All of us. It's giving deja vu right now. Oh, look at my guys. And Ade, of course.
Like to spoil everything.
Oh, I love you. 6. 5. Did you say 5? 6. I knew it. I knew he was going to.
Wow.
I knew he was going to say 6. Oh! Hey, Ted.
This is
help the couch so she can sit.
Oh my god.
That's for me. Always like he's stressed. We're back again for another episode of She's a 10. And this time around we have an eligible bachelor that's going to look for his perfect match. Really? I just sang your song. I don't know if I sang it well. I did a good job. Just want to find my perfect match.
Well, it was actually fun, but then like there were so many beautiful ladies. Oh my goodness, and the men.
So I'm looking for a wife, so hopefully I can find my missing ring. But yeah, I'm just here to have a good time, a good vibe.
It feels so good. Oh yes, getting to be rated 8 is good.
You cannot trust this vlogger, babe.
Some nice music or just fast forward. Just beach day.
Guys, it's beach day today. We're at this beautiful beach house.
Hi guys,
It's beach day. It's beach day / unofficial send forth party. Because Flakes is leaving us. You know what?
The last hurrah. I'm gonna turn all the way the fuck up right now. Hi. Hey girl, hey.
It is so pretty. Oh my
Look at
goodness.
the fire pit where we're gonna do the recoupling.
Oh, I love it. They should use this place for Love Island Nigeria.
You say they should use it for Love Island?
Yeah.